Oh hey, welcome aboard! Today we're sailing to SaltSpring Island, which is one of the Gulf Islands just outside of Vancouver in Canada. It's one of our favorite places that we've sailed to so far. It's a charming, cozy island with lovely people, and we can't wait to show it to you all. So buckle up and enjoy the ride.
Hello.
Good morning. It's Andreas's birthday-ish, 2 days ago. It's a beautiful day. Going to make it to Active Pass and then probably anchor there because there's a lot of ferries going through, and it also gets really washing machine-y there. We've never done that before, so kind of nervous, but we shall see. Wish us luck that we don't get thrown away by all the ships. It is dicey in the river. White caps in the river, that's not a good sign. God help us.
Yep, we're healing. Well, we got our sails up.
Seeing the whitecaps in the river, we thought that it can only be worse conditions in the open seas. But thankfully, we had decent wind and were able to have a comfortable sail while the wind pushed us straight into the Gulf Islands. There's truly not a feeling like positioning yourself perfectly so that the hand of nature pushes you exactly where you want to go. And that's what we love about sailing, being one with the wind and the ocean.
Woohoo! We are flying! 7 knots. We are getting into an anchorage. It's the very first time ever that we're going to anchor our boat. We're not going to film that because it'll require all our attention and we don't want to mess it up. We'll let you know. If this video never releases, it didn't work out, I guess. We anchored.
Yeah.
And we didn't kill each other.
No, we do need those headsets though.
Yeah, we do need the headsets.
So beautiful and calm and peaceful. Turned out well.
I gotta say, I can't beat that. Not much else. We're the only boat here. There's no one else. It's lovely. It's absolutely lovely. Well, how does it feel?
Me? Pretty good. Pretty good. Half an hour ago I was so nauseous and I felt like my hands were cold, I felt like dying, and like now I'm just like, couldn't get better than this. It's so beautiful. That's the thing about sailing, like in the ocean, it's like it can be hell or it can be like the best thing ever.
We are off our anchorage and we've timed it perfectly. There, the ferry just left, the other one also went just through. Now it's just us going through Active Pass for the first time. Getting better. And this is the challenge of Active Pass, these huge ferries being in your way. So we're letting this guy pass. Don't know where that one is going, babe.
What?
I don't know where the one that's coming straight at us is going.
Did I stop?
Yeah, stay stop. And this, my friends, is the end of Active Pass. I think we were more scared than we had to be. There's a lot of people saying, ah, ferries, ferry wake, dangerous, narrow. You time it right, not a big deal. Have to do it at the right time, I guess. Sun is setting and we are getting ready to arrive in SaltSpring Island. SaltSpring. We made it. And this is our boat.
We're pretty excited to go explore today. No. And really needs to brush his hair. Look at his hair.
I've tried brushing it, but
it's like...
You should have seen it yesterday. It was like all slicked back. It looked horrible.
Now it's kind of funny. You look like Jimmy Neutron. Jimmy Neutron? Peace. Quiet.
Would we be any more annoying walking around with a selfie
giant stick?
Yeah, that's us. That's us now. We are those people. So we are on SaltSpring Island, just trying to find some bikes to rent to explore a little. So SaltSpring Island is definitely busier than Bowen Island. Lots of stores and restaurants.
We rented the bikes. We're ready to go. We're gonna go to the north side, explore a little bit.
These are the views that we have on our bike trip, and these people have these views all day. It's beautiful. How you feeling?
You having a good time?
Just don't spit on us. Hi.
Yeah, that guy's like hiding behind him like, is it safe to possibly stay in here? Hi. That guy's like hiding behind this guy. Don't hide.
How far did we bike since we last stopped? 1 minute?
There's a ghost.
And we found...
If you can't tell, I love animals.
Yes.
I won't go there.
You can't, it's private. There's them goats.
That guy
One
says,
big goat.
That guy says the grass is greener on the other side.
Trying to break through.
Us trying to get out of the night. If you subscribe, we'll be able to break the fence. Subscribe, please. Thank you.
at Vesuvius Beach. There's some weird industrial thing going on over there. Ferry is just crossing over. That over there is Vancouver Island, actually. Super close. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling wonderful.
No pun intended.
And then we stumbled upon the perfect art cabin secluded in the forest, and as someone who loves painting, this felt like a fairy tale. Ooh.
Come to the house so that I can meet you if I'm not at the studio.
Never mind. It's just cool to look at it from here too.
That's beautiful too.
Yeah. Beautiful.
We have just arrived at the Piper's Bond Bake Stand. Check this out. You have bagels, cookies, oatmeal raisin, pies. And all you do is you drop the money in here. Yes.
This is how humans should be. Like, so trusting. Like, what? Yes.
Awesome, hey?
And they have dog treats too.
They have dog treats too, yeah. They do have a security camera. We love it. We are at the North End Farm Market. Hi, puppy. And once again, trust beyond compare. There's candles available, cookies, eggs, shortbread, fresh produce, kale, coffee, cookies, and once again, you pay what you owe. Pretty impressive. I love this.
The trust within the community felt like a breath of fresh air for us, and we were so happy to see that there are still places where trust exists. They look teethy, but we're not sure. Let us know in the comment if you know.
Put it on your hand.
They're too structured to be just random. Not sure.
If you know, let us know.
Let us know in the comments.
The water here is so clear. It's like glass. Ooh, they're fighting. Or liking each other. We don't know. We might have to censor this if they like each other. Oh, he's petting the other crab. Look at that.
Look at him petting him. How cute is that? Yes, he said something wrong, and then it's just like, F you. Just gonna go now. How dare you say that? That hurt my feelings. I'm just gonna walk away. You're so insensitive. I'm just gonna go to my parents' house now. He's like, fine. You can just go, I don't care.
So we are at this place called Matida?
Sorry.
Matida? Not 100% sure, but we got these really cool drinks. A hot cocoa.
Mushroom blend
Cacao.
And
We're great with our pronunciations today.
having a latte mate.
Mate latte.
Mate latte. So he just tried to take us from the beach route, but there is no route, and I was trying to prove that he was right, but
I'm sorry.
looks like it has like one strand of hair left. That soft serve was not worth the calories. I'm regretting it. Oh no!
I almost blew myself up.
Oh no.
We didn't catch it. So I had it like just filling the whole barbecue, and then I tried to light it and
Oh my god, babe. Babe.
I survived. I didn't singe anything, so that's good. So here we go, cooking with gas. Literally. Closing this.
Okay, should I get you a fresh plate?
Yes. And then wash this.
We just made some chicken for the tacos. And this concludes the first meal we made on the boat. And then we made a cup of tea and called it a day in our cozy little cabin on the water. Thank you for coming along with us. We hope you enjoyed this episode. And make sure to subscribe so you don't miss next week's episode, where we check out SaltSpring Saturday Market and have, well, let's just say not the most glamorous sail back home.